Hello guys, today in this video we are to show you how to disable autoplay USB pen drive in Windows 10 11. So it's very easy if you want to disable autoplay USB pen drive in Windows 10 11. So first you click on start, type here settings. Click on settings. After click on devices. After click on here autoplay and here option choose autoplay default. Click on this blue box and click on ask me every time and memory card, so click on drop box and click on ask me every time. Select. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable autoplay USB pen drive in Windows 10 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video is full or not. Thank you for watching.